Need to capture a snapshot from screen but don't know how? With Wave PDF, it's super easy and precise. Let's see how to do it. Click on this Take Snapshot button and select the portion of the screen to be snapped. Here choose the format from in which the snapshot is to be saved, either PNG or JPEG. Then save the image and it's done. For capturing snapshot from anywhere on the screen, simply reduce the Wave PDF to Toolstrip and use the Take Snapshot button to select the portion of the image. Let's see the quality of the snapshots taken. Get download link by sending request on email or WhatsApp.